What's going on? Another day, another
Throw
dollar.
some
Or Lush Green Lawn Care. It depends on who's watching the video, right?
Yeah.
But today, the video is going to be how to lay sod. That's all the video is going to be about. So if you came here for anything else, skedaddle, okay? This is how to lay sod, how to do it the right way, well, the way we do it here in AZ. What's today? Thursday?
Today's Thursday, yep.
Thursday the what?
2/18, I think.
2/18, so February 18th. We already passed Valentine's Day. Was yours popping?
Let us know. Comment down below.
Comment down below. All right, so
guys.
right here, we got some topper, right? Take a look at that. Soil for lawns, sod, and seed. You can get this at your local Home Depot for roughly $6.97. If you get 8 bags, it's $60.17. Lay down the topper on top of it, level that out as best as we can, and then lay down some sod. Oh yeah.
Finished here.
So again, we just
the bottom.
just weed whacked it. Try to clear as many weeds as we can. This manure should help kill the weeds. Sometimes we'll lay down like a pre-emergent. We didn't do that today.
Pre-emergent before putting the soil,
Yeah, I would think so. Put it on top of the weeds.
or after we plant this and everything.
Personal preference.
They could put like their own crabgrass killer or whatever.
Yeah. All right, now let's lay this topper. Here.
All right, guys, as you saw in the B-roll, we're laying the topper down, and the next step is to level it, smash it, and then we'll go ahead and get the rest of the sod because you only got that.
Yeah.
And yeah, and we'll lay down.
Hell yeah, that's good.
Let them know that we marked the sprinklers.
Yep. So always make sure you bring flags. We forgot to bring flags, but boom, boom, boom. We tore off a piece of there, put it on a rock. Boom, 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 boom. These sprinklers are out of commission, but they told us to leave the holes just in case. So sometimes your customers ask you to do that. We do that, and everybody's happy. What the heck is that?
If you can never find the holes, just go to the sprinkler system, turn it on, see where the sprinkler's at, let it run real quick, and then you place your flags and then turn it off.
Let's get it.
Get your topper. And what are we doing now, buddy? We're gonna lay the sod.
Yep. All right.
Stay tuned. B-roll coming in. guys, as you can see, crambale, umbale, crambala. We're all finished with the sod. Do you have anything to say to these guys?
Yeah, here. Record me so I can talk to the boys.
Oh my gosh,
Boys and
you
girls,
already had a whole
whatever
plan.
All right, so that's it. You see right here, Johan is putting the edges. You don't really want to put edges this small because they might die off. Edges like that are pretty good. That is pretty good. You got me, you got me. That is pretty good. Give me again, you got me. That's pretty good. That's even better, and that's the best, right? So then we're gonna go around, cut all the holes out for the sprinklers, and that's really all you gotta do when laying sod. You wanna talk to them about how to price it?
Hold on, first off, the reason why there's extra spaces, well, we staggered the grass, right?
Always stagger, because if they're in straight lines, it looks kind of goofy, but if it's staggered, it grows in a lot better.
Correct, and these borders that they have already set here, they're uneven, so that's the reason why some of these look kind of crooked.
Yeah.
And same thing on the other side, that's happening over there too. It's kind of expanding and not fully covering the area. So
yeah, that's just because the pavers were unaligned.
Yeah, that's not our fault.
Yeah, not our fault.
But we decided in the beginning if we were gonna lay it this way, it would have opened up back there, and it would have opened up right here.
So we would have
didn't
had to
want
cut really long, really skinny pieces of the sod, but now, because Johan told us to do what he did,
Problem
good job.
solver.
Problem
I
solver.
love puzzles.
Little puzzle solver, yep. Little Sudoku solver. No. And then it made things a lot easier. Now we can cut straight lines, but in squares, rather than really long thin strips.
Correct. So, but we're already all finished here.
Okay.
You say something? You're gonna say something?
Yep. So how we quote is roughly we charge $2 per square foot. Okay.
That's here in Arizona too.
Here in Arizona market price, we can go less than that, $1.50 to $2, depending on labor. But that
Customer.
covers the price of the sod, that covers the labor, that covers the material. And you should be pretty off. If you follow that, you should be cool with $2. If they want to take off a little bit, you can negotiate just a little bit.
Yeah, there wasn't much prep, so
Yeah. So you get the length and you get the width. Get the length, the furthest point, and then the width, the
length.
furthest point, right?
and
And then if you have like rocks in the way, you're gonna have to keep in mind of that. So you might have to deduct some square footage, but that's how you price. You get the customer's length, get the width, multiply those together, get you square foot. Go on, sod for sale, figure out how much they're charging per sod. Sod here in AZ is roughly 50 to 70 cents, just depending on the season, depending on whether you want to deliver it or not.
and that's really it, right?
That's really it. That's
Well,
really
the,
it. Yeah.
the last thing you would do though, you would grab the roller, right?
Yeah, you'd grab a sod roller, press it down, probably not gonna show that, and then you just wet the whole thing, 3 times in AZ, 3 times a day, about 4 to 5 minutes watered.
Yep. So
Yeah.
as you guys saw, you prep, you lay the topper
Or soil. Yep.
or soil, and then you mark the sprinklers, the sprinkler heads with,
with
flags,
rocks, whatever you have.
whatever you can.
Then you level.
Then you level the topper, and
Yep.
then
Then you lay down some
then
sod.
you lay down the sod, do your cuts, and then roll the roller at the end, and then wet it. So
That's about it. A couple
about
things
it.
you'll need to get the job done. We used a dolly today because we have a smaller truck, so we didn't bring a wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow had a fat hole in it. So we brought a dolly, but you more likely will need a wheelbarrow, or you can just huff it back and forth wherever you're at. If it's the front yard, you don't need a wheelbarrow, but yeah, we used a wheelbarrow just to make things easier. Or we used a dolly to make things easier. Other
Alright,
than
guys.
that, you need a knife, a sod cutting knife, or just a regular knife, not no butter knife. You need
some knee
a bucket,
some
just
knee pads.
some knee pad, and then that's about it. We got a weed whacker just to cut down the dirt. We got a couple rakes. We got a hula hoe. You don't need nothing else, guys. Really, you can do it with your hands.
All right, so yeah, we're gonna end the video here. We just want to make a quick sod install video. It's really easy here in Arizona.
Hey, what's the date? Because I know we've been uploading
Today?
a lot of videos. What's the date today?
It is like
What is
that.
it, February 18th,
18th, yes.
2022.
Yeah.
Don't forget, February 22nd, 2022. Place your wishes to the universe. They shall come true.
And Donda 2 is coming out, so stay
Donda
tuned.
2, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, word. Hopefully Kanye gets his stuff together. You know what I
Nah,
mean?
son.
I wish him the best. If
Wish
he
him
wants
the
to reach
best.
out to us, we can give good advice, good manly advice.
Everybody tag Kanye in the comments.
Tag yay.
You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah, but that's about it. If you have any questions, don't forget to like, comment, and then what is it? Subscribe.
subscribe, yeah.
And then tell your friends, tell your family, tell your neighbor, tell the mailman. Doesn't matter who it is. Tell somebody to watch our videos. We're trying to pop off, you know?
All right.
If you have any questions, negative or positive, no matter what it is, leave it in the comments here.
What's the motto?
Another day, another dollar.
See you guys in the next one.
We out.
How do you?
Damn, that's so good.
It was.